Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this late 2016 Ford Edge Sport. This is the 2-litre TDCi turbocharged diesel engine with the 6-speed automatic gearbox. It's finished in the orange crushed pearl metallic paintwork, 20-inch alloy wheels. It's got over £3,000 worth of factory extras on this, so back in 2016 this was almost £40,000 this vehicle. Some of the extras include the panoramic sunroof, the front and rear parking cameras, the adaptive LED headlights. Inside you've got heated rear seats and you've also got inflatable rear seat belts. So you can see the rear seat belts look a bit wider and they deploy in the event of an accident, so they're almost like airbags in those seat belts for the outer seats, which is great, and they're compatible with child seats. You do also have 2 sets of ISOFIX points in the rear, and you've got that lovely panorama roof. That was another option. I'll show you that now. You've got the controls for it here, and it slides open the full front section, so you can have that almost convertible feel in the summer. Really lovely getting fresh air in, so that's great. Really brightens up the cabin as well. So does the light headlining. It's nice and bright in here, even though it's a sport model. And then that shuts like so. You've also got the blind as well that you can have across, so that's really handy. You can stop it anywhere along the length of the cabin, so for example if you've got kids or pets, they want a bit of shade, you've got that there, or you can keep it going all the way along for that cozier feel, or if you've got a bit of a glare, so that's really handy. I'll just show you the service history now. The previous owner did buy this vehicle from ourselves a few years back as well. So this is the service history. It was first PDI, the pre-delivery inspection, on the 20th of September 2016 at Lucas Ford in Sunderland. It was then done on the 21st of September 2018 at 12,319 miles at Bristol Street Motors Ford. It was then done on the 22nd of January 2020 at 27,940 miles. On the 29th of October 2021 with ourselves, 36,826 miles. And most recently, on the 25th of September 2023 at 67,727 miles. So as you can see, it is now on 75,640 miles, so it's not done a mega amount of miles since it was last serviced. We will give it another service though before you do take it. It'll go through the Honda workshop again. So we know the car, we've had it in the past, so that's always good. So it's got a really good history. I'll just open the boot now. It's electronic boot as well. It is also hands-free, so you can keep your foot underneath it and it'll open. You've got the genuine Ford Edge boot liner as well. And a great thing about this vehicle is you do have the space saver spare wheel in there, so that's excellent. Full of clever features. Really practical family car. As you can see, you do have heated rear seats as well, and the outermost seats, which are great. It's a really nice feature, and the genuine mats again. And then you've also got, like I said, the inflatable seat belts, so in the event of an accident these will inflate, so just great for your rear passenger safety. That's why they look a little bit different than a normal seat belt. So it's packed with features, optional extras, etc. It will also come with a 6 months warranty, so you've got plenty of peace of mind with the vehicle, with it having a new service, or a new service on it, at least 6 months MOT, and it'll come with a 6 month warranty as well. If you've got any questions about this Ford Edge, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be very happy to help. SUVs really go quickly at Automart because really practical cars, great for families, etc. We're based on the Kendal Motor Village at the Honda dealership. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome. No matter the age, make, model, mileage of your vehicle, we'll have a look into it and get you the best price we possibly can. If you've got any questions or would like to arrange a test drive on this Edge, you can give us a call 01539 760 371 and we'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching this short video on our Ford Edge. We hope to see you very shortly.